Hi, my name's Catherine and I'm from Questacon Science Squad and Science Play. I'm here today to show you a few demos that we do in the Sydney office. First up, an electrifying demonstration. This is the Van de Graaff electrostatic generator. When I turn it on, the belt inside starts to move. And all the negative charges are brought to the bottom, leaving the dome with a positive charge. And when I bring my earth wand, which has a lot of positive and negative charges, to the positively charged dome, let's see what's going to happen. A spark is created because the negative charges are attracted to the positive charges in the dome. And sound all around us. I'm making a sound now with my voice. I wonder if we can all make a sound with our voices. Could everyone say wibbly wobbly sounds after three? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wibbly wobbly sounds.
I wonder how we made that sound. Could everyone put their hand up in the air and over your neck and say wibbly wobbly sounds again? Ready?
Wibbly wobbly sounds. I can feel something moving under my fingers, Kat.
Can everyone else feel something moving?
What's that moving under our fingers, Kat?
It's like buzzing. Like in your neck, it's moving around, and that's what makes the sound.
What's it called?
It's a vocal cord. So voice box. That's what's wibbling and wobbling, vibrating, moving back and forth. That makes the sound.
Okay.
So we can make high sounds, or we can make low sounds. We can make quiet sounds, or we can make really loud sounds. Can everyone make a high squeaking sound like a bird? Ready? What about a low sound like a cow mooing? Ready? Quiet sound. A loud sound like bang! 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 Yeah! I think you're good at loud sounds. So I put some more musical instruments as well that I want to make a sound with. Do you want to see them? Yeah! Furry cat chasing a mouse. Oh! So I am the cat, that's the mouse, that's right. I wonder what sound a mouse makes. That's what a mouse makes. So listen really carefully with your ears. Ready?
Oh, it's a little squeaky mouse.
It is. So it's a little sound from my little animal. We've got another animal here. Let's have a look at this.
What's that?
It's a bird. What type of bird is it? Chicken. That's right. And what sound do chickens make? Okay, let's listen to this chicken. Do you think it's going to be louder than my mouse?
Yeah.
Maybe
Let's have a
not.
listen.
It is
loud, isn't it?
But it's a bigger sound. I've got another animal here. What's that? That's a cow. What sound do cows make? Oh! But it is definitely louder.
That's much louder, isn't it, Zach?
It is louder. Liquid nitrogen is very cold. Yes, it's colder than ice, and it's colder than ice cream. It's even colder than the coldest day in Antarctica, which was minus 89 degrees Celsius. The temperature of liquid nitrogen is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Very, very cold. Let's see what happens when I put a balloon into liquid nitrogen. That's a great idea. Okay, liquid nitrogen in first. I wonder if the balloon will pop when I put it into liquid nitrogen. Ooh. Okay, let's go see what happens. Get my balloon. Oh, I really hope it doesn't pop. Didn't pop. Maybe I need some more liquid nitrogen. Here we go. Put some more. Ooh. It seems to be shrinking. Ah. So the balloon didn't pop. It shrank. Now I'm going to use these tongs. I want you to listen to what it sounds like. Sounds a bit like a plastic bag. Do you want to have a look at it? Okay, here we go. Whoop. It's gone smaller. It's going, whoop. Seems like it's blowing back up. I can't believe it. A balloon doll came out. What, you think I'm tricking you? Really? Okay, I was tricking you. This is the real balloon that I put in. Here it is. It's still a lot smaller, but I can blow the balloon back up by blowing it with my breath. So, what happens, so when I cool the balloon down, I cool the air inside the balloon down, and cool air takes up a lot less space than warm air does, so it shrank up. And when I took it back out, the air inside the balloon started to warm back up with my breath, and it went back to its original size. Wow! In this measuring cylinder, I have a solution called hydrogen peroxide, which is the same chemical that people use to bleach their hair. Now, hydrogen peroxide breaks down to produce water and oxygen gas, but this takes a very, very long time. So I'm going to use a catalyst to speed up the chemical reaction, because that's what a catalyst does. The catalyst I'm going to use is potassium iodide. But before, I'm going to just put a little squirt of detergent in here, so you can see the reaction, the oxygen bubbling through. And I'm also going to put a few drops of food colouring, so you can see the reaction as well. So there we go. And here is the catalyst, potassium iodide. So as you can see, whoa, it definitely speeded up the chemical reaction, and it's producing a lot of water, oxygen gas, and it's also producing a lot of heat. So if you feel this container, it's actually getting some heat out as well, which is a byproduct. That was great, but that's all I have time for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you around.